Okay, Gr10, so we have covered most of what you need to know. I'm just going to go over question 2.5 with you in this paper. Then we're going to talk about page numbers, and I'm also going to talk about some headings with you guys. Okay, so over here, question 2.5 says locate the bulleted list under general benefits, under the heading general benefits. So there's the heading general benefits, and this is the bulleted list that they are referring to. They want us to change this to the margin there, which I've already done. Let me just undo that. Okay. So I'm going to highlight it first. And the question is change the indentation setting to display the bullets against the left margin. So on the left margin. So first highlight where I'm going to make my change. Go to paragraph. So you see that under indentation, it says 0.25. But we want that to be 0 because we don't want any indent. We want it to be on the margin. And then you say, okay. Now I want you to change this bulleted list to a number 1, 2, 3, a numbered list. Okay. So again, I'm first going to highlight where I want to make my change. Then I'm going to change the bullet to 1, 2, 3. Now there are many types of bullets. You'll see that the indentation changed again, but you can just change it back to 0 and it should go back. There we go. So you'll see that there are different types of bullets that we want to use. The one we focused on in class was to define a new bullet, is where we add a picture. Okay, but don't worry about that. I'm just going to focus on the type of bullets that we have. So there are those types of bullets. Then we also have numbered bullets. Okay. Then we also have multi-list bullets. Okay, so you need to look at what I'm asking you in the question and how I want you to set it out to be. Now let's talk about page numbers. In the question paper, I'm going to ask you to edit or to add page numbers. I might give you a picture or I might give you the instructions on what to do. Now, I'm going to show you how to apply page numbers in the header section, and I'm going to display one with normal automatic page numbers, but then I'm also going to show you how to get a page number with odd numbers, page numbers with odd numbers. First, we're going to insert, and we're going to say insert page number. We're going to do it at the top of the page. Now, I might ask you a different design and not simply the plain number 1, 2, 3. I may ask you to do page Y of X. I may ask you to do brackets. I may ask you to do something fancy like a vertical outline or rounded rectangle shapes. You need to look for the type of um, page number that I ask you to do. For the purposes of this video, I am going to do page Y of X. So it looks like that, page 1 of 1. So that's it. Now, I don't want the page numbers to be 1, 2, 3 as normal. I want the odd numbers to be on a different page and the even numbers to be on a page. Okay, so then I'm going to select different odd and even pages. Now I want you to take note that we are currently in the header. Okay, so I'm going to select different odd and even pages. Now you'll see that all of the odd numbers are here. 1, there's no number 2 because page 2 is an even number. There's no page 2. And then there's page 3, which is an odd number, and so forth. Okay, page 5 is an odd number. No page 6. Page 7 because it's an odd number. Now I want my even numbers to be on a different side. So I want it to be this side, for example. Okay, now I'm going to click in the header where I want the page number to be, and then I'm going to add page numbers again. So now I go to page number, and again I want it at the top of the page, and let's choose any random one. Let's go with play number 3, and now you can see my page number is there. Okay, so I have my odd numbers on the one side and I have my even numbers on the other side. Okay, again, just take note of what the picture looks like that I give you, or the instruction is that I give you for the particular type of page number I would like you to add. So while we are here in the header, I want to show you how to add different columns to the header. Okay. So if you click on header in there, here it's going to give you the built-in header. So you can choose, you just want it blank, do you want it 3 columns, whichever, do you want it a grid, do you want whichever option I'll ask you to do. I'm going to select 3 columns. Now I'm going to type in whatever they are asking me to type in as per the document or as per the test. Okay, so that's it for headers and page borders and all of those things. You guys know everything you need to know. Please just watch these videos. How many videos? I think this is part 6. Let's see. Yes, this is part 6. So, guys, please just go over this. The next sections we are going to cover is Microsoft Excel.